Hello guys, thank you for reaching this channel. Please, after watching this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe. So under measures of central tendons, we may be asked to make some calculations. We'll make some calculations on grouped data. So for the grouped data, it may be shown like this way using this table. So as I said, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe. So we're given the ages of students in Form 3 class. The ages of students in Form 3 class was collected, and the information was indicated on the table below. Their data of their ages was collected and information was displayed on the table below. We are given the age in years, the number of students. Then also are given the age 13 to 15. 13 to 15. Remember 13 is inclusive. It's included in the set of data. Then 15 is exclusive. Why? We only have y is less than 15, but here is 13 is less or equal to y, which means 13 is inclusive, then 15 is exclusive. For this one, we have number of students 20, then 15 is less or equal to y, whereby y is less than 17. Also 15 is inclusive, since we have 15 is less or equal to y, then 17 is exclusive, then number of students we have 22, then 17 less or equal to y, where y is less where y is less or equal to 19. Then 8 students. We have 8 students. Then we are given these questions: find the number of students in the class. We are asked to find the number of students in the class. Then also the mode. Then also the median, finally the mean, correct to 2SF. 2SF just simply means two significant figures, right? So for you to find the first question, number of students in the class. Number of students in the class, 13 to 15 is 20 students. Then 15 to 17 is 22 students. Then 7 to 19 is 8 students. So for you to find the number of students in a class, you have to add this one plus this one plus this one in order to find the number of students in the class. We are saying for this part, we have to add all the number of students in the class. We have 20 plus 22 plus 8. This is equals to, remember, 20 plus 22 is 42. Then 42 plus 8, which is 50. 50, which means that class have 50 students. We have 50 students. Then also we are asked to find the mode. We have to find the mode from this given data. Then for you to find the mode is just the number with the highest frequency. So which one is the highest frequency? This one is model class, and model class. Want to find the model class, right? Now saying mode is just the value with the highest frequency. Sometimes we may be asked to find the model number of students. If it's model number of students, then you have to look for the number with highest value. Here is 22. So for the model students is 22, but you are asked to find the model class. For the model class, since we said the model number of students is here, then the model class is something which is, so you have to collect this one for the model class. So for the model class, we have 15 is less than or equal to y, where y is less or equal to 17. this one becomes the model class. So this is how to find the model class from this given set of data. Then also we are asking to find the median. So for you to find the median, use the formula. So for the median, we are saying half of n plus 1 theta. So for you to find the median, you have to use this formula, whereby n is the number of students in a class. Number of students is 50. So we are saying it's half of 50 plus 1 term. Then it's half of 51. This is equals to the half of 50 is 25. The half of 51 is 25.5 or 25.5 term. Then we have to look for the half of 25 term. Remember, we have to look for the half of 50. The half of 50 is 25. So from this given data, want to find the it's median class. It's median class here. It's median class. Right? It's median class. Why? Why is median class? Because also sometimes examiners may ask you to find the median number of students. For median number of students, then sometimes you may be also asked to find the median class. So for the median number of students, so we said we have 25.5 term. 25.5 term. So for the 25.5 term, we have to add from this one. Then we have to collect the value where after adding the first and the second, we have to look if we reach this 25.5 term or 25.5. So we are saying 20 plus 22 is 42, which means we are getting 12.5 term in this range. In this range is where you can get 12.5 term, right? So if it's median number of students, then we have to collect this one. But we are asked to find the median class. For the median class, we have to collect this one on top. This one is the class. The range is the class. So for the median class, we have 15 is less or equal to y, where y is less or equal to 17. This one becomes the median class again. The median, this one becomes the model class. Then let's move on to the last question. Asking to find the mean correct to SF. So for us to find the mean, right? Remember, the data is given in form of grouped data like this one, right? And to find the mean. So for us to find the mean, we are given 13 to 15 is 20, 15 to 17 is 22, 17 to 19 is 8. Then for us to find the mean, we are saying we have to find the midpoint of these two values. We are saying is 13 plus 15 divided by 2 multiplied by the number of students given, which is 20 plus the second one we have 15 plus 17 divided by 2 multiplied by 22, then plus 17 plus 19 divided by 2 multiplied by 8. Then let's now simplify. For you to simplify these ones, we have to add this 15 plus 15 is 13 plus 15, right? To make the calculation simple, since we're not using a calculator, but to make the calculation simple, we have to add 13 plus 15. It's 13 plus 15, which is 20, I think 15, which is 28. So we have 28 divided by 2, 20 divided by 2, which is 14. We are saying 14 multiplied by 20 plus then 15 plus 17, which is 32. Divided by 2 is 16. We are saying 16 multiplied by 22 plus then 17 plus 19. 17 plus 19. 17 plus 19 is same as 18 plus 18, which is 36, divided by 2, which is 18. 18 by 8. Then we have to simplify all these values. Then divided by number of students in a class. Number of students in a class is 50. Right. Then after simplifying this one, and divided by 15, then after that you have to round your answers to the nearest two significant figures, 2 SF. After simplifying this one, you have to round your value to the next 2 SF. So thank you guys for being together on this lesson. Please, as I said, after watching this lesson, don't forget to subscribe.